Remember when work meant a commute, a cubicle, and fluorescent lights? Those days seem like a distant memory now. The daily grind of rushing to catch the subway, squeezing into crowded trains, and spending hours in traffic jams has been replaced by a new norm. The world has undergone a significant transformation, and our homes have become the epicenter of this change. Not anymore. The world shifted, and homes became offices. Dining tables turned into desks, and living rooms morphed into conference rooms. The boundaries between personal and professional spaces blurred, creating a unique blend of comfort and productivity. We swapped boardrooms for bedrooms and traded water cooler chats for virtual coffee breaks. The shift to remote work brought with it a new set of challenges and opportunities. Virtual meetings became the norm, and we had to adapt to new ways of communicating and collaborating with our colleagues. This wasn't just a temporary change, it was a design revolution. Home offices evolved from makeshift setups to well-thought-out spaces designed for efficiency and comfort. People invested in ergonomic furniture, better lighting, and technology to create an environment conducive to work. Suddenly, we craved spaces that fostered both productivity and peace. The importance of a well-designed workspace became evident as we spent more time at home. Natural light, greenery, and personalized decor became essential elements of the home office. We yearned for home offices that reflected our personal style while meeting our professional needs. The home office became a reflection of our individuality, a space where we could express ourselves while staying productive. This new era of work demanded a new approach to design. Interior designers and architects rose to the challenge, creating innovative solutions to integrate workspaces into our homes seamlessly. Multifunctional furniture and creative layouts became the norm. No longer were homes simply places to unwind after a long day. They became dynamic hubs, seamlessly blending work and life. The lines between work hours and personal time blurred, leading to a more flexible and balanced lifestyle. They became dynamic hubs, seamlessly blending work and life. The integration of workspaces into living areas required careful planning and thoughtful design to ensure that both aspects of life could coexist harmoniously. This transformation wasn't without its challenges, but it also presented an incredible opportunity, the chance to create workspaces that truly inspired and energized us. The home office revolution has redefined the way we work, offering a unique blend of comfort, creativity, and productivity that traditional offices could never provide. Gone are the days of the isolated, single-purpose home office. The modern home office is no longer just a place to sit and work. It's a dynamic environment that can adapt to a variety of needs and activities. Today, it's all about versatility. Whether you're working from home full-time, part-time, or just need a space to manage household affairs, a multifunctional home office can cater to all these needs seamlessly. Think of your home office as a chameleon, adapting to your needs throughout the day. In the morning, it might be a quiet place for focused work. As the day progresses, it can transform into a collaborative space for virtual meetings or brainstorming sessions. And by evening, it can become a relaxing retreat for reading or unwinding. The beauty of the modern home office lies in its adaptability. By choosing the right furniture and layout, you can create a space that meets all your needs without feeling cluttered or chaotic. Consider incorporating furniture pieces that serve dual purposes. For example, a fold-out desk can provide a spacious work surface when needed and then be tucked away to free up space. Remember, your home office doesn't have to be confined to a single room. Embrace the concept of open-plan living and integrate your workspace into a larger area. This can make your home feel more spacious and connected, while still providing a dedicated area for work. Use furniture, rugs, and lighting to define the space and create a sense of visual separation. By thoughtfully designing your home office, you can create a multifunctional space that supports your work, creativity, and relaxation. A beautiful home office is wonderful, but it also needs to be a functional and comfortable space where you can truly focus. Ergonomics plays a crucial role in creating a productive work environment. Invest in a high-quality chair that provides proper lumbar support and adjustability. Don't underestimate the importance of a spacious desk. Choose a surface that can comfortably accommodate your computer, notebooks, and other essentials without feeling cramped. Consider a standing desk converter if you prefer to alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day. Remember, a clutter-free environment promotes a clear mind. Incorporate storage solutions that work for you, whether it's stylish filing cabinets, floating shelves, or sleek desk organizers. Keep only essential items within arm's reach and store everything else out of sight. Natural light is a game changer for creating an inviting and productive workspace. It brightens the room and has numerous health benefits, like improving mood and energy levels. It's like bringing a piece of the outdoors inside. Refreshing, especially if you spend long hours at your desk. Position your desk near a window to maximize sunlight. This setup allows you to take full advantage of natural light during the day. If possible, choose a window with a pleasant view to provide a mental break and reduce stress. Adding plants to your desk or nearby shelves can enhance the ambiance, making your workspace feel more vibrant and alive. Plus, they can help purify the air, contributing to a healthier environment. However, relying solely on natural light isn't always feasible. As the day progresses, the amount of natural light available can diminish, especially during winter months or on cloudy days. Incorporate a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a well-lit and inviting atmosphere. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination, while task lighting focuses on specific areas where you need more light. Opt for warm, adjustable LED bulbs to minimize eye strain and create a cozy ambiance during evening work sessions. LED bulbs are energy efficient and long-lasting, making them a practical choice for your home office. Consider adding a stylish desk lamp for focused task lighting. A well-chosen desk lamp can serve as both a functional light source and a decorative element. Strategically place floor lamps or sconces to eliminate dark corners. These lighting fixtures can help distribute light evenly throughout the room, preventing shadows and creating a more uniform lighting effect. Don't forget to add a touch of personality with a statement pendant light. Pendant lights come in various styles, shapes, and sizes, allowing you to choose one that reflects your personal taste and complements your workspace decor, or a whimsical string of fairy lights. Fairy lights can add a playful and enchanting touch to your workspace. They are perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere, especially during the evening. Lighting is like jewelry for your home office, adding that extra sparkle and warmth. The right lighting can complete your workspace, making it a place where you enjoy spending time and feel inspired to work. Alright, let's dive into some practical storage and clutter solutions. You know, keeping a home tidy can often feel like a never-ending battle. But with a few clever strategies, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. From multifunctional furniture to innovative shelving, there are so many options to help you maximize space and reduce clutter. So let's explore some of these ideas and see how they can transform your living space into a more organized and serene environment. Now let's talk about infusing your personal style into your home office. It's not just about functionality, but also about creating a space that feels uniquely yours. Think about colors, textures, and decor that inspire you and make you feel comfortable. After all, your workspace should be a reflection of who you are. Moving on to eco-friendly office choices, it's important to consider sustainability in your workspace. Opt for furniture made from recycled materials, energy-efficient lighting, and plants that improve air quality. Small changes can make a big difference, not just for the environment, but for your well-being too. Let's explore some of the evolving home office trends. From standing desks to ergonomic chairs, the focus is on creating a healthy and productive environment. Technology integration is also key, with smart devices and apps that streamline your workflow. Staying updated with these trends can help you create a more efficient and enjoyable workspace. Finally, remember that your home is not just a place to live, but a sanctuary and a workspace. Balancing these roles can be challenging, but with thoughtful design and a bit of creativity, you can create a harmonious environment that supports both your personal and professional life. Your home, your sanctuary, your workspace, make it truly yours. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment so I can know your thoughts. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel for more interior designs.